Hundreds of villages in Punjab province have been flooded by the heaviest rainfall recorded in 90 years. Caritas Pakistan teams are conducting need assessment surveys and providing relief items and emergency kits to flood victims around the country. I joined them in the trip today to assess the situation of the villages here. More than 20 women and children are taking refuge in a shelter house built by Caritas Pakistan Multan in Balkana village near the Chenab River.
Pakistan Multan started 3 years project in 2018, and this village was selected among 20 villages, and we started with the mobilization, and then we formed community disaster management groups. Then we provided them various equipments, like we provided them food storage boxes, we provided them emergency kits, we provided them also trainings from Rescue 1122, and they were equipped with equipment and with skills to go with any disaster. And during this year disaster, the DMCs and their subcommittees like Search and Rescue Committee, Early Warning Committee, and First Aid Committee, they played their very important role to rescue people before the disaster. Early warning teams were given trainings, and they were ready with their equipments, and they informed the community before the flood, and the search and rescue committee, they evacuated the communities, especially the vulnerable groups, women, children and elderly people, before disaster. And during floods, they also evacuated, and they also rescued many people from Balkana Basti, which is almost in the which is all now which is almost in the flood waters. And we have built a safer place at this place, and the people who were rescued from Balkana Basti, they are settled here. And during this period, Caritas also provided sewing machines and some other equipment. Now women are knitting, and they are sewing some clothes, and so they will earn some money from this. And the food storage boxes which were provided to DMCs, and now DMCs is getting wheat for out of them, and getting food for the people who are residing in these safer shelter places.
Standing here in Balkana village of Punjab province, where heavy rains and floods they have combined to form a disaster. And here you can see this food storage box provided by Caritas Pakistan in Multan diocese for the storage of grain, which is stored in this box. And another box is present on the other side of this locality, and this is for it ensures food security for the locals whose livelihood has gone. And in this village about 300 houses exist, and more than 20 have been damaged due to rain, and others have been flooded due to standing water of about 3 feet. Um, and they are worried that what happens next when the stored food, they run out of the stored food.
Overall, this project has impacted that people have become more resilient, and they are more their capacities are built. And one of the major impact what we see, that there is no death, human death, and there is no any casualty of livestock. So safely our DMCs and rescue committees have evacuated human beings and the livestock from these flood affected areas, and now they are settled in safer places, and when the water goes down, they will be shifted to their places.
These crops, they were put here so that farmers could take out the seeds, but you can see that due to heavy rains, these have got rotten, these mounds, and the crops are they are all destroyed here. And that's the major concern of the local people, that the fodder, the essential food item for their livelihood, for the livestock, it's gone. and now after losing the shelters and their stored food, the farmers they are very much worried about losing their livestock as well, which is after farming another major source of income. Kamran Chaudhary, UCNnews.com reporter, Dairy Cup.